Those times Big Thunder Mountain place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own. The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind. Entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, warm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise, and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place.